Want to know how to make easy caramel? This quick and simple recipe uses just 3 ingredients to create a thick caramel sauce that is perfect for pouring over ice cream, stirring into coffee, or dipping apple slices. Let me show you some tips for caramel making so you can whip up this 3-ingredient caramel sauce in no time. To make this easy caramel recipe, you will need 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar and a heavy bottom saucepan. A heavy pot is great because it helps the sugar heat evenly, so it does not burn easily. I usually grab a light-colored pot since it makes it easier to see the sugar change color as it caramelizes. Keep the heat at medium-high and keep stirring it constantly. If you notice sugar getting stuck on the sides of the pot, grab a pastry brush dipped in water and brush those crystals down. This helps prevent them from recrystallizing and ruining your caramel. If you see the sugar clumping together, do not worry. That is normal. Just keep stirring, and eventually it will start to melt and caramelize. Once your sugar has melted and turned a warm brown, go ahead and add the butter, making sure it's at room temperature. Be careful, because it is going to bubble up a lot, as you can see here. Keep the heat on so the caramel can continue cooking and get a bit darker, which will give it more caramel flavor. Just stay close and watch it so it won't burn and get too dark. Now, slowly pour in 1 cup of room temperature heavy cream. Take your time with this because if you pour it in too fast, it can bubble up and make a mess. Just stir it in gently while you are pouring, as you can see me doing here. Now, this is optional, but I like to add a pinch of salt. Little salt really helps balance out the sweetness and makes the caramel taste even better. Just mix it in and then take the saucepan off the heat. While the caramel is still hot, carefully pour it into a glass jar. Be cautious, as the caramel will be very hot. You can store the caramel for later use, and it is perfect for drizzling over your favorite desserts whenever you want to add a touch of sweetness. This caramel has a rich, buttery flavor and a smooth, creamy texture that makes it super easy to pour over desserts or just enjoy by the spoonful. If you enjoyed this classic, easy caramel recipe, you will be excited to learn that there is an even easier way to make caramel. Check out this video to see how I made thick butterscotch-like caramel using just 1 ingredient.